Do this every day, morning, evening, whenever you have time. Even 10 minutes enough. Consistency is more powerful in the intensity. 1 hour one day and nothing for the next 3 days will not help you. But 15 minutes every day will change you. Now, step 2, repeat. When you listen, do not stay silent. Speak in it. Repeat the sentence. I am going the market. Again, I am going to the market. Do not worry about mistakes. Your tongue is learning. Your brain is adjusting. This is how fluency begins. At first, you will feel stressed, but you feel shy. Your voice is may shake. But remember, growth always feels uncomfortable. Stay away within. Step 3 is understanding meaning. Do not memorize without understanding. When you hear sentence, know what it means. For example, she is cooking food. This means she is making foods. Simple, clear. Connect English with meaning, not with fear. Now, step 4, use small sentences. Many people try to speak big, difficult sentence. They fail. Then feel embarrassed. Then stop. Do not do that. Start small. Say, I am tired. Say, I am happy. Say, I like tea. Say, I am learning English. Simple sentences build strong foundations like bricks. One brick at a time creates a strong house. Now, step 5, speak daily. Even if you are learn, stand in front of mirror. Look at yourself. Speak. My name is Chanbasha. I live in India. I am learning in English. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. You may laugh at you will laugh at self. That is okay, but do not stop. This is your practice ground. This is your same place. Your place. Step 6, think in English. This is powerful. This is where real change begins. Right now, you think in your own native language and then translate. That takes time. That creates confusions. Start small. Look at a glass in things. This is a glass. Look at your phone. This is my phone. Walk outside. You think the weather is hot. These small thoughts will slowly train your brain. Train your brain. Step 7 is vocabulary, but not difficult to vocabulary. Useful vocabulary. Words to use every day. For example, eat, drink, go, come, make, take, give. Use them in sentences. I eat food. I drink water. I go to school. I come home. Step 8 is learning phrases. Phrases make speaking your natural. Instead of say, I am very, very tired, you can say, I am really tired. Instead of saying, I do not understand, you can say, I don't get it. These small changes make a big difference. Step 9 is listening to real conversation, not just lessons. Watch simple videos. Watch people talking. Language is not only words, it is feeling, it is expression. Step 10 is not being afraid of mistakes. This is the most important steps. Fear kills fluency. Mistakes build fluency. When you make a mistakes, do not stop. Correct it and move forward. For example, you say he go to school. Then you realize he goes to school. Good. You learn something. That mistake may make you better. You are trying. You are growing. that matter. Now let me tell you something from one heart. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly and confidently. You can speak slowly and still be fluent. I am learning English. This is okay. This is powerful. Speed, speed with come with time. Don't try speed. Say clarity. Now step 11. Build daily habits. Make a small routine. Morning. Listen for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Practice speaking for 10 minutes. Evening. Think an English for 10 minutes. This simple routine, if done every day, transform you. Step 12 is writing. Yes, writing helps speaking. Write small sentences. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to work. Writing organize your thoughts. It makes speaking easier. Step 13 is conversation. If you have a friend, practice together. Speak simple English. You. How are you? Friend. I am fine. You. What are you doing? Friend. I am studying. Even simple conversations build confidence. If you do not have a partner, talk to yourself. It works. It really works. Step 14 is patience. Do not expect miracle in 1 week. Fluency takes time, but every day you are improving. Think of it like you whatever daily. You do not take it every day. Check it. You are growing. You trust the process. Step 15 is believing in yourself. Many people quit wicket think not do it. That is not true. You learn your first language. You can learn this truth. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. Because what you say to yourself becomes your reality. Now imagine this. One day you standing in the road, people are speaking English, and you are not silent anymore. You are not freed anymore. You are thought of the conversation. You are smiling. You are confident. That day will come, but it will not come by waiting. It will come by working step by step. Do not compare yourself with others. Some people learn faster, some learners are slower. That is okay. Your journey is your own. Focus in on your progress. Yesterday you knew 10 words. Today you know 10, you know 20. That is growth. Remember, consistency beats motivation. Some days you will not feel in practice. Do it anywhere. Discipline will be take you. Motivation cannot. Speak every day. Even if it is broken English is better than silent English. I go market yesterday. That is okay. You are speaking. Slowly it will become. I went to the market yesterday. Growth is happening. Let me give you a simple example of your progress. Day 1, I go I go school. Day 10, I go to school. Day 13, I go to school every day. Day 60, I go to school every day because I want to learn. See the difference? Step by step. No pressure. Just progress. Do not run. Walk. But do not stop. Your voice is matters. Your thought is matters. English is just a tool to express them. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Speak one sentence, when another, when another, and one day, without realizing, you will be fluent. Not perfect, but confident.